At the time of recording this, the price of Terra Classic have continued to drop, and right now Terra Classic holders is about 13,603 holders. And when you take a look at this holder, you discover that even the top 100 holders of Terra Classic are not even holding up to 35% of the total supply of Terra Classic. Okay, this is one good thing I love about Terra Classic, not like other crypto coin where the top 10 might be holding about 80% or 70% of the total coin, which means if this top 10, if let's assume 3 or 4 of them decided to pull out of Terra Classic, it will definitely affect such coin. But Terra Classic is not like that. The top 100 holders of Terra Classic are not even holding up to 35%, which is very good. But for me, I think that if we have about 13,603 Terra Classic holders, I think that the time they really want this coin to revive, they really want this coin to bounce back, they need to support Terra Classic. If every holder decides to burn just 5% of their total holding just to show support for Terra Classic, I believe that Luna is going to burn a lot of coins. Terra Classic might be burning over almost 1 trillion or over 1 trillion coins. Let's assume that the top holder decides to burn about 5%. Okay, and for me, yes, I think they should burn over 500 billion to 1 trillion Terra Classic LUSD. If this can work, if they can do this, I believe this is going to go a long way to help Terra Classic to bounce back. Okay, and I believe that yes, Luna still have a lot of holders, about 13,603 holders for Terra Classic, which though you can't compare it to other crypto coins. Okay, but I still believe that this amount of holders can still do something different. Like I said before, if Terra Classic can come up, if every holder can support, at least from every exchange that they're holding Terra Classic, a particular date or a particular month that we are going to charge a total of 5% from their holding, this will go a long way. And if they can place I believe so many people can support this, though a lot of people might not support because some who have a lot of coins might be calculating the 5% of their holding into money, and after they discover someone with about 100 billion coins of Terra Classic will be calculating over 500 million coins, which is a lot of coins. Okay, so for me, I think that Luna still need something that will really change the coin, something that will help push this coin, and burning of Terra Classic is one of the things that can help revive this coin. And the only way right now, they're not burning more. That's why I'm thinking if Luna can't, especially even though not every holder, let's assume the top 100, and mostly some of the developers that are still holding Terra Classic, and I mean even someone like Binance CZ, imagine them offering to burn 5% of their holding. It will help Terra Classic a lot. Or if the 13,603 holders of Terra Classic can decide to burn 5% of their holding, it will help LUNC a lot. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.